Do you ever wonder how you could possibly create your own lettering style? Are you struggling with comparing yourself to others? I'm so glad you're here. Join me in creating your own confident lettering style with this YouTube series called 26 Ways to Letter. Hey friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. Thank you so much for checking out this video. In today's video, I'll be using the Zebra Funwari brush pens. These are small brush pens. The nib is probably in between hard and soft, a little more medium. I like the colors, except the green seems too dark to go along with the rest of the brighter colors. In these 26 Ways to Letter videos, you mostly see me using large brush pens, but in my Fearless Lettering workbook, I give you two options having large or small practice sheets, because it's so important to find what pen works best with your style. If you want to practice with me in Fearless Lettering, I will link to that in the description box. The confidence pep talk for today is all about value and self-esteem. How do you define your value, and where does your self-esteem come from? Self-esteem is simply how you feel about yourself. It takes a lot of work to feel good about ourselves if it doesn't come naturally. You can feel good about yourself no matter where you're at. You can feel good about yourself even when you see how much better you want to get. You don't feel good about yourself only when you're perfect, because actually that's impossible to reach. With lettering, as soon as you master one thing, you'll see that there is even more to learn. It's like the saying, the grass is greener on the other side. It may seem like we'll only feel good about our lettering when it's just as good as someone else. If you'll only feel good about yourself when you're the best, then you'll never feel good about yourself. There is no magic door where you suddenly get good at lettering and you feel good about it. The goal is to be able to sit with yourself and love everything that you are right now, knowing that you have incredible potential. Your value is not based on your talents or skills. It's not based on your expertise or what anyone else says about it. Your unique value is based on the fact that you are a living, breathing human being. You have a place in this world just as much as anyone else. You have value just by being who you are right now. When you can feel that value, it takes off the pressure of being the best. It helps you feel excited to do your best while you're still growing and experimenting. We won't get better if we're not trying new things. When you feel good about your lettering right where you are, it helps you want to make your best even better. Not in a way that you have to be better than anyone else, but in a way that you feel good about yourself when you're learning new things and improving. So today, as you're practicing, look at your lettering and find the things that you love about it for exactly where you are. And let that drive you forward to make your best even better. Thank you so much for watching, lettering friends. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Is self-esteem something that comes natural to you, or is it something that you really have to work at, like me? I really appreciate you being here. If you like this little pep talk, you may like my weekly email newsletter. I send you a little scoop of confidence and a scoop of letters each week. If you want to learn more, check out the link below. Thank you again for watching and for subscribing. I will see you next time.